Hello everyone, welcome to iTutor IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the disease malaria. Why in news? The World Health Organization highlighted India's remarkable progress in its World Malaria Report 2024. India significantly reduced malaria cases and related deaths between 2017 and 2023, making a major milestone. India aims to achieve malaria-free status by 2030 with zero indigenous cases by 2027. Malaria is a life-threatening vector-borne disease caused by the Plasmodium parasites transmitted to the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. It is not contagious and cannot spread from one person to another. The disease is transmitted through the bites of female Anopheles mosquitoes. 5 species of parasites can cause malaria in humans, and 2 of these species, that is Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax, pose the greatest threat. Now let's discuss the symptoms. Fever, headache, muscle ache, tiredness and chills are typically experienced, though these symptoms may be mild and difficult to recognize as malaria. Prevention. Vector control is the main approach to prevent malaria and reduce transmission. It is preventable and curable disease. Early diagnosis and treatment of malaria reduces disease and prevents death, and also contributes to reducing transmission. What are the government initiatives to curb malaria? The Intensified Malaria Elimination Project 3, that is IMEP 3, targets 159 districts across 12 states, focusing on vulnerable populations. Resources are allocated for the long-lasting insecticidal net distribution, entomological studies, and surveillance systems, enhancing the impact and substance of malaria elimination activities. Looking ahead, India remains steadfast in its goal to eliminate malaria by 2030. The government is committed to achieving zero indigenous causes by 2027 and ensuring prevention of malaria re-establishment. By combining strategic frameworks, robust interventions, and community engagement, India is setting a global benchmark in malarial elimination and reaffirming its commitment to public health excellence. Now, let's discuss UPSC Civil Service Examination previous year questions about malaria. Here is the question. Widespread resistance of malarial parasites to drugs like chloroquine has promoted attempts to develop a malarial vaccine to combat malaria. Why is it difficult to develop an effective malaria vaccine? Option A. Malaria is caused by several species of Plasmodium. Option B. Man does not develop immunity to malaria during natural infection. Option C. Vaccines can be developed only against bacteria. Option D. Man is only an intermediate host and not the definitive host. Please comment your answer on the comment section. Thank you.